Do you struggle with time management? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to review the book There's Not Enough Time and Other Lies We Tell Ourselves by Jill Farmer here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And like many of you, I enjoy reading books all about getting organized and decluttering, but there's a lot of them out there. So I'm going to make it a little easier for you. And today we are continuing our series on some of my favorite books that deal with getting organized. Today's selection is a classic, in my opinion. Classic meaning it's not a new book, but boy, do I refer to it a lot. It is called There's Not Enough Time and Other Lies We Tell Ourselves by Jill Farmer. So this book came out in 2012. And like some of my other favorite books, one of the things I like about it is it's not terribly long. It is an easy, quick read at 167 pages. So who's Jill Farmer? Well, she's actually a local St. Louisan, like myself, a former TV reporter and anchor. And when she left her television career, she found it really challenging to juggle all the things that were still going on in her life, her family, volunteering, and doing freelance work. And so, as she learned how to manage her time better, it set her on a new path to help other people learn how to make the most of every minute of their time. The thing I like the best about this book, probably, is that Jill speaks to us directly, like a friend. She's got love and humor. And I have to tell you, I really think what works to her strength with writing this book is that she's not a professional organizer. She's not a productivity consultant. She's not a time management coach. She's just one of us trying to figure it out. And once she figured it out, she wanted to share it with everybody. And so it's that type of friendly writing style that is just simple and easy to understand. It's more like having a conversation than learning a new process. But she is going to teach us a lot of things. She begins by explaining how to overhaul and make over our to-do lists. And it is pretty eye-opening, the changes that she recommends. Then Jill talks a lot about how to tackle those bigger projects without feeling overwhelmed, and also how to avoid some classic time management traps like procrastination and perfectionism. And towards the end of the book, she talks about how to eliminate what we call dreaded tasks and how to make time for the things that we truly love. I'm just going to give you one sample of something that she talks about in her book. She talks about four prioritization zones and how much time we should really be spending in each of these, if any time at all. Her four zones are the stress out zone. Sound familiar? The hamster on the wheel zone. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. The procrastination zone. And the productive zone. I know which one I want to be in. Well, I hope that gives you a little taste of this book. I highly recommend getting this book. If you want to see my list of recommendations for organizing books and products, you can visit organizingmagic.com/resources. And while you're there, I hope you'll check out my website, organizingmagic.com, for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.